Hi there, it's Ms. Reister. For those of you that might be missing teacher-graded assignments or science notebooks as part of your grade and needing to get those in, I wanted to show you a couple resources that might help you get those completed. If you go to the science homepage and go to content, you can pretty quickly find the templates for the lab report. So if you scroll down here to lab report and science notebook templates, this just gives you some information on making sure that you have Office 365 so you can open up the Word document and the PowerPoint document for the science notebook. And that's just some instructions. But if you scroll down below that, you're able to see the lab reports for each unit. And this is the same if you're in the A course or the B course. This just happens to be the B course. But you just click on the lab report that you need. These are the same that are in the lesson. Actually, these are the ones that I've added a little bit to make them a little easier. Same questions though. So you just open up one of those. If you're missing one, go to those. And then if you go back to the science homepage from here, just go back to class home. In the announcements, I always keep the recording link. So you just find this slide in the announcements and click here. And when you open that up, it's going to open up to all the lessons and recordings that are available. So just make sure you're in the correct semester. So if you're a semester B student, it'll say B at the top. And then just scroll down until you find the recording that you need for the lab. So whichever lab you're on, they're in order, and you can just click and fill in that lab report page as you go. If you're working on a test, needing to do a review, retest, something like that, if you failed a test, you can find test reviews here that you can watch and add notes to, and that will help you with your test score. So those are some quick ways to improve your grade, especially if you're missing lab reports. So from there, to get back into the course, if you going to move some things around real quick to see if I can get over there. If we go back into the course on the science homepage, then the best place to go from there is back up to the top. And if you go to content, you can get back to those lab lessons. So for instance, if you are missing the lab report from Unit 2, for example, you could just scroll down. The numbers here are going to show you how many lessons in that unit you have not done yet. So if you went to Energy, Unit 2, if you were missing the Unit 2 lab report, that's in 2.5 and 2.6. So this is the lab where you do the simulation or the experiment, and then the one that says 2 on it, the lab, this is the Dropbox where that is. So you just go back to that lesson, and then you're able to go in, read through everything you need, and then if you go to assessment, you're able to click there, and you'll be able to open the Dropbox and submit your file. So that's just how to find the Dropbox in the lab that you're missing.